Are you needing to add a hyperlink to text on your Squarespace website? Well, you've come to the right place. Luckily, this is super easy on Squarespace, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Let's hop over to my screen and we'll get started. So, I just recently had to do this very thing for my wife on her website for her publishing company. Her publishing company just recently turned 2 and they're running a promotional to celebrate that event. And so she had me create a landing page for this event. And one of the things she needed on it was to be linked up to the charity that she's partnering with for this promotional. And so if we go down to the bottom of the page where I have the information about the charity, she was wanting the name of the charity, the call, to have a link to their website. And so this is super easy. We're just going to go into edit mode. And then here in the text block, we are going to click and drag across the text that we want the hyperlink added to. And then we're going to, in the editor here, we're going to click the link button. And then now that that's pulled up, so you can see here, it would allow you to, just by clicking the forward slash, and then you could type in these things out or select any of these, and you could actually link up to a page on your own website. But she is needing links to an external website for this charity. So I have their website pulled up, and so I'm going to click in and copy the URL for their website with Command C. I'm going to go back over to the tab for her website and paste it into the bar there, and with Command V. And then now there's a few things for best practice here. And so the first thing would be the option here of open link in a new tab. With this being an external website, we want to open the link in the new tab so that you leave your tab open, and then also it opens up their tab as well whenever someone clicks this link. If this was a link to your another page on your own website, you would toggle this off so that it would stay in that one tab. So another thing that we want to do here is to make sure that this link, so it would be just this text, is a different color than the rest of the text to tell the viewer that there's something different here, that this is a link. All right, and so we would click in the color, and I'm going to make this the same color as the rest of the color theme here, which is not the same as the color palette for the rest of her website. And so I'm going to go into custom here. But to get that color, I'm going to actually go to this text here and steal the color off of it. All right, so go to the color there, and then I'm going to copy this color, Command C, and then I'm going to come back down here and go back to that link again. You can see it's linked up there, and I'm going to click the color, go to custom, scroll down, and then I'm going to Command V to copy that color over, and you can see here it's the different color now. And so we'll go save, and then we can exit out again, and then I'll go into the full screen preview and scroll down to it. And you can see how when someone clicks this link, it opens up in a new tab, and there they are. If you found this useful, please leave a like and hit subscribe. If you would like me to build your website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.